What's going on, YouTube? We back with another video. This your boy Mr. G.D.I.Y, and today I just want to come to you guys. I have a special unboxing for you guys. On the side of me I have a box, you know what I'm saying, the package that came in. Behind me you see the SS, you feel me? I got a box that just came today for what I got going on. It's gonna happen in a few weeks. Just something for the car. So, you know, I'm gonna show you guys what I got, you know what I'm saying, and do a little explaining on what I'm trying to do. Let's get it. Alright. So, first thing, we got a Yukon box. We're gonna get it turned around. We got a Yukon gear and axle box, okay? Got another box here. Says 7.5. We got another box here, so cut y'all off and cut y'all back on. We're gonna see what's in these boxes. So yeah, this is the first box. It is, say, USA standard gear, axles, kits, lockers. Never opened the box, I don't know. Oh, additional parts. Let's see what we got. Oh, okay. What this is, it looks like a bearing kit. Like just a bearing kit for the rear end. We're getting the rear end done. I got a 7.5. We're gonna upgrade to posi and bigger axles. So I guess that's a bearing kit. That's your bearings, the other bearings. So okay. I've seen that before. This is my first time doing rear end. Y'all let me know. This is my first time getting it done. I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna get it done. So I see all the bearings and stuff like that. Seals and shims. Back. This is the next box. It's a big black box. I couldn't do it with one hand, so I had to just try to open it as I can. I kind of think I know what this is right here. It's gonna be the ring. Ooh. See them rings, boy? Y'all see that ring and pinion, man? That thing look nice. Kind of look, like I said, it looked like it's 7.5 small here, but let's see what's going on. GM 7.5. I wonder if I can catch it. GM 7.5. Get on down now. Come on, camera. I guess we can't get it, but anyway, say 7.5, 373. These 373 gears. Last but not least, it's the carrier. See that 7.5, 28 spline axles. Went up from 26 to 28. So yeah, fine. See what's going on. I never this is my first time seeing this. I never even did this before. This is my first time get this type of stuff done. Look at that carrier, my boy. Hold on, that thing look good. Let me get it out the wrapper. Get out the wrapper, like I said. I ain't never did it. I got the wrapper right quick. Oh yeah. See them springs in that guy. We going posi. We going crazy. See what's in there. We going crazy though, man. We got posi. We going crazy. Hold on, man. I'm trying to get this thing. So yeah, man, that was the unboxing. You see what I got going on? 7.5, 28 spline, axles, 373 gears. Before we get into before we hear anything, man, I don't want to hear nothing about, oh, he got a 7.5, he got the weakest, it's gonna break. Hey, look here, man. This is what I got. You hear me? This is what I'm trying to do right now. I ain't want no 9-inch or none of that. I ain't want to do that right now. We taking baby steps. Let me see how this 7.5 do. You know what I'm saying? If it can't handle what I'm bringing, you know what I'm saying? Then I eventually upgrade. I'm probably gonna eventually upgrade sometime, but for right now, what I got right now, 373 is good, you know what I'm saying? So I don't wanna hear none of that. But I tell you one thing, this is probably like the only thing, this and probably something else is the only thing that I probably let other people do outside of that, because I'm really a DIY, you feel me? I was gonna do it, you know, online, but I got a good price on them doing it, so I was like, you know, I let them do it, you know what I'm saying? Let the professionals do it. Sometimes they ain't bad, they bagged up, but hell, it's enough time for me to get in there. You feel me? But anyway, so yeah, man, this unboxing, man. Hey, sometimes when that stuff ain't going right, them shots bad up, you feel me? You gotta do it yourself. So until the next video, I'm gone. I'll catch y'all. Alright.